Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing great. I just want to announce on the launch of the membership tier plans on this channel, Tic-Tac-Toe. So if you have followed me on this channel and you found my videos engaging, brings value to you, why don't you join the membership too? Now, if you join the membership, you'll get exclusive digital skills video, something to do with your productivity that will help you in the long run. And these videos, they will not be published on YouTube. They are just exclusively for you if you join the membership. How do you join the membership? If you were to watch any of my videos, for example, this latest one, the Oppo Reno 8 review, you can see that is a join button that you can click on. So I have two membership tier levels. Level 1 would be a $3 monthly plan. If you join, what do you get? Now you'll get one very easy to learn digital skills video every month, as well as 5 articles on digital skills weekly. If you were to join on a $5 monthly plan, you'll get 3 easy to learn digital skills video every month, as well as 5 articles on digital skills per week. Now you might be wondering, what kind of videos would you be expecting if you were to join the membership plans? Here is an example. So yes, this video is primarily on Microsoft Edge browser, and I teach you 2 very good things on how you can improve your productivity using Microsoft Edge browser for free. So guys, again, if you found value in my videos and you want to continue supporting me as well as the Tic-Tac-Toe channel, join the membership. All right, that's it. I'll see you in the next video or in the membership exclusive videos. I'll see you. Take care and bye.